Hola amigos. So for week 8, what we're going to be doing for assignment number 1 is we're going to be drawing 12 pictures of what we did over the summer. And then after we draw those pictures, and I don't want any letters on here or any words or sentences on here, just pictures, you're going to be writing 12 sentences of the activities that you did in Spanish. They need to be separate. Okay, and so that's going to be assignment number 1, drawing your pictures, writing your 12 sentences, and then you're going to submit that. Assignment number 2 will be to actually give the presentation of what you did during the summer. Okay, so once you have your pictures and your sentences, then you're going to present it, and that's going to be assignment number 2. Let me show you my example. Here is my presentation and the pictures that I drew. Okay, so again, for week 8, assignment number 2, you're going to be giving this presentation. And I'm just going to go ahead and give you an example of what the first line would look like. These are the 12 things that I did over the summer. And so for right now, I'm just going to give you the first line because I want you guys to do your own work and not to copy off me. Okay, I want you to be original. But eventually I'll show you my full presentation. Okay, so this is what it's going to sound like. This is, again, is after you've drawn your pictures and then after you've written your sentences too, because that's assignment number 1. Okay, assignment number 2 is going to be to describe what you did over the summer without using any note cards. This would have been a presentation that we would have done in class, but we're doing it virtually this year. Okay. Durante el verano, yo fui y caminé en la playa mucho. Yo fui a México y visité familia. Yo trabajé en el jardín y vi televisión. Okay, so I used the past tense to describe what I did. I used a variety of different verbs. Some of them I used 2 verbs. You can just use 1, but I want you to use a variety of verbs. You can't just say and use the same verb over and over again. Okay, that's the assignments. Again, assignment number 1 is to draw your pictures and to write your 12 sentences. Assignment number 2 is to make a video like I'm showing you here, and you're going to upload that video to this assignment. Okay, amigos, adios, and have a great week.